the migrant labor centers, like so many things, are initiatives to ensure survival pending transformation. I mean, the brutal reality of farm workers and laborers in the United States, particularly immigrant laborers, is that they're starving and living in abhorrible conditions. So places like the Migrant Labor Center are incredibly important to these men and women as a lifeline to be able to survive.
Whoever comes to this farm worker center asking for help or anything, the only thing we request from them is to prove that they're farm workers. We don't ask for passports, visas, Social Security. We don't ask for any of that. Our capacity for the area where they sleep, it's 120. We go way over 120. But whenever we go over 120, we use other places of the building. Our offices, the kitchen, the cafeteria, anywhere they can find a spot for them to take a nap, they use.
Mi nombre es Francisco Javier García Navarro. Yo vengo de Coahuila. Yo en Coahuila piscaba algodón. Yo me vine a Estados Unidos por la cuestión de que se acabó el algodón, bajó y pues los compradores empezaron más precio, ya el costo, lo que se le metía, ya no se sacaba el costo, fue por eso. El precio aquí es que está lejos de la familia, de su esposa. La realidad, mucha gente piensa que vivir aquí es todo, pero no es todo. Le hace falta a uno el complemento que viene siendo la mujer de uno y sus hijos. Está uno aquí porque uno es padre y trae hijos al mundo, es para mantenerlos uno, para darles a uno lo que puede uno. Porque yo no lo tuve y no quiero que sufran lo que yo sufrí.
El coyote que nos agarrió que nos iba a pagar, nos íbamos a pagar 1,400, pero pues nos metieron en una casa. Y ahí habían como 5 o 6 que tenían armas, pues. Y nos preguntaron, ¿y cuánto les dijo el coyote que van a pagar? Pues 1,400. No, dice los guardias que estaban ahí, no, dice que iban a pagar 2,500 cada quien. Porque ya ellos ya cobraron, tal vez que hasta se gastaron el dinero ya. Y uno es el que quedó endeudado, pues. Uno es el que está endeudado.
Centro Laboral de Grayton is the Grayton Day Labor Center, and we are a nonprofit organization that is dedicated to promoting the civil, labor, and human rights of day laborers and their families. We organize and coordinate this hiring process with the day laborers. The group was formed in 2000, but we've been operating here on the corner for 3 years. So ella quiere una persona para 2 horas para $25. ¿Está bien? She just came up and said that she wanted to hire someone for 2 hours, and I asked her if she would pay $15 an hour because for only 2 hours, he's not going to get work for the rest of the day. And she said no, she couldn't afford that she could pay $25 for the 2 hours, and to ask him to please walk over. So we're really here to help them negotiate the work with the employer. Yeah. And we have guidelines because the workers decided how much they wanted to be paid.
Tenemos asambleas 2 veces a la semana. Por lo regular tenemos las asambleas después de las clases de inglés que ofrecemos aquí. Las asambleas son como un mundo pequeño democrático donde cada uno tiene un voto y tiene una voz de poder cambiar reglas o de poder hacer nuevas reglas. Igual también damos presentaciones sobre conocer sus derechos ante inmigración o ante la policía y anuncios sobre lo que está pasando en la comunidad.
We've worked with 2 clinics and another health organization that provides dental services to make a network of services for the workers. We've been operating here on the corner for 3 years, and next month we're moving to a center which is a block and a half from here.
This is a physical center. The laborers have regular assembly meetings and make decisions about salary, working conditions, standards of operation, Initially, we were actually quite successful in our efforts in building support amongst the day laborers and in the more progressive part of the community. But other portions of the community began to get very nervous, and they sort of pushed back. At which point we really realized that we needed to involve a larger portion of the community in this discussion and this dialogue. And in fact, after that one-year period, we were able to reach consensus on at least 98% of the issues. We have a high level of satisfaction from the employers. Each employer gets a feedback card, and we get many of those back that really give us feedback. It allows us to hold the employers accountable as well. The employers now know that we will work as advocates.
Nos sentimos respaldados por ellos. Sabemos que cualquier patrón que no nos quiera pagar o que nos quiera pagar menos, ellos nos respaldan.
If there's any kind of abusive situation, we will be aware of that and take whatever actions we can.
Pero ahí hay mucho respeto. Ahí nos sentimos apoyados, nos sentimos como familia, todos allá.